Okay, hello. So today we will be talking about some inheritance. Inheritance is a concept of object-oriented programming, and it is one of the main pillar of object-oriented programming. So what are the four others? First is abstraction. Second is encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Okay, so today we will be checking out inheritance. Okay. Now, what is inheritance? Let's say I have a father, okay, and my father has some property, okay, let's say, and property is in some flats or plots or let's say a house, and I am his son, okay. So, whatever his willful inheritance is, let's say I am his only son, then this his inheritance, his property will directly go to me, okay, unless and until it is assigned to someone else, okay. So let's see an example in Python for this. Okay, let's say we have a class name father Bhanu. Okay, now what he does is he has some cash, okay, uh, and he does is run a business, okay. Self is necessary for class, okay. And what he does is he has a month, let's say annual turnover of let's say 10,000, okay. So what this does is if we create an object from father Bhanu and we run this function, we will get a this string as his output, okay. So even if let's say if we do this father Bhanu, and if we print what father's run business is, we can see that he has a turnover of 1000. This is his only source of income, okay. Now let's say we also have a son, okay, son Hira, okay. Now what his son does is he does not have any cash, and let's say he is a bus driver, okay, and self is necessary, okay. And what his earning is, his monthly is, let's say, 1000 only, okay. And when we make an object of it and we print bus driver, we can see that he has a monthly income of 1000. And for some reason he is not inheriting his father's property, so he is his only source of income is his money from being a bus driver. So now let's say he resolved his issues with his father, and his father on his terms is willingly giving his property to son Hira, okay. So what we will do is we will import this father.py file, as means it's just a means of accessing his this son.py file to father.py files class. So from father import father one, okay. And the will is not inherited yet, so let's inherit. So to inherit a class from another, let's say son Hira is the subclass, okay. Then his parent class will be father Bhanu. We do this in close parenthesis. Yeah, usually a class does not need parenthesis, but when something is inherited, we insert it here, okay. Now what son Hira has now, okay. So he has inherited his will from father Banu. Now when we try to print what son has, we can see that son has access to his cash and his business. So let's say we try to print his business, and let's say we can see that his monthly turnover is uh, near about, let's say, one how much. Okay, so when we run this run business, uh, we can see that he has a monthly income of 1000 as well as the turnover, and we can see that he also has access to the cash, means I mean whatever cash his father had. So we can see that the cash value is 1000, and monthly income is from bus driver, and the turnover from business. So that's how inheritance work in Python. Thanks.